Hey guys, Chris here. Back with Christ and with Chris, and things are a little bit different today. I really ain't got no lesson to give you, but I do want to talk to you from the sincerity of my heart. Listen, I know this weather's about to come, and I don't know how bad it's going to be. Nobody knows how bad it's going to be, but I just wanted to personally reach out to everyone that can hear and listen to this video. I know some are less fortunate than others. You know, we all don't have the same things in life. And I want you to know that I'm not the richest person in the world, or, you know, and I can give more than money. But during this storm, or even after this storm, or before it, whatever, listen, reach out to me. I'll help you. And if I can't, I'll put you to someone that can. We don't want no one to freeze or go hungry, or, you know, whatever it may be. You know, and I know it's a tough thing to do. The ones that really need help, they don't ask. I know. I went through it just this past May, into September, you know. And I didn't ask for no handouts, but the Lord provided. And the Lord can provide for you. He'll put you in the path, put someone in your path, I should say, that will help you. And listen, I want to be that person. Like I said, it's not just for this storm, it's just from now on. If you're hungry, freezing, you know, need help, your kids needs diapers or clothes, or, you know, it don't have to be young kids, needs clothes, or, now listen, I don't care to help, you know, because if it is money, and I do give money, or anyone else as a Christian gives money, and then, you know, some people say, well, they're just going to buy dope with it, or they're just going to do this and that. Listen, that's between them and God, just like me giving the money, or whatever it may be, just giving my services. It's between me and God. So, you know, reach out. Message me, or on here, and I'll give you my phone number, or whatever it may be. I don't want anyone to freeze or go hungry or whatever. You know, because I like doing to people that, you know, how I would like to be treated. And if I was in that situation, I would hope someone would reach out and help me. And that's what, you know, being a Christian is, you know, like being a light to others, showing others that, you know, there can be good out of every situation. There can always be a little bit of sunshine through the rainstorm, you know. So I'm just, you know, talking to you, asking you. I'm asking you to let me help. Like I said, whatever it may be. And it don't have to be for this storm. It could be for any time. It's winter time. People's cold. I got great heat here at my house. Not that big of a place, but I mean, we'll cram you in we'll be in here like sardines if we have to. That's less heat we have to use. It's more body heat. But listen, I got transportation. I'll come get you. I'll bring you whatever you need. And if you can't get out during this snow, listen, get a hold of me if you need something. I can do it. I got a side-by-side, or I got a truck that I don't care to put in the ditch, you know. Please don't sit and struggle when there's people that's willing to help, you know. And don't think because I'm asking for, you know, that you're asking for help, that you're unworthy, or that you're a useless person or a useless parent. That's not the way it is. You're not useless. You're actually the complete opposite of that for wanting to ask and needing help, because I don't care to help, and I'm sure others don't either. So, listen, I want y'all to be safe. Use this time to pray to God, you know, that this storm will take it easy on us. You know, I love to see some snow myself, but I don't want to see anyone lose power and heat and stuff. So let's just pray to the Lord above that He leaves our power on. And if He does take our power, that people has backup heat. propane or wood stoves, whatever it may be. And listen to me, I'm serious. Get a hold of me on Facebook, TikTok. Come to my house. Tell me to meet you somewhere. I'll do whatever it takes to help it, in the best of my abilities. Like I've said before, you do your best and God will take care of the rest. So get a hold of me. Like I said, get a hold of me. I'll get a hold. We'll make it work somehow or another. But this is truly from the bottom of my heart. I love each and every person. Like I said, I want to be more like Jesus, and I'm working on that. And Jesus wouldn't want anyone to starve or go through a night, being cold, or asking their baby, asking them, when's their next meal or where's it coming from. Please reach out. Listen to me too. I go to Christ Cathedral Church. It's in Yeager, above the Pioneer Bank on the hill. Listen, we'd love to have you. It gets a bad rap. I've heard people say stuff, but I'm just going to tell you that's the devil. That's the devil. There's going to be problems in every church. Some of them come out and some of them don't. But we truly love Jesus. Our pastor and our bishop preach hell and preach a way to keep you saved or to get you saved. I'd love to see y'all there. We help you out in any way we can. If you need a ride to church, let me know. I'll come get you. Listen, we got about 8 seats in that Tahoe. That'll haul some people. We'll make trips, I promise. I'll do anything to try to get you into church. Anything I can do. If you can't make it to church, if you're bedridden, whatever it may be, let me know. I'll come to you. We'll make a date. We'll come to you. I'm sure some people at the church would love to do that. But this is truly a message as real as it gets, from the bottom of my heart. So please reach out if you need help. And if you don't need help and you're willing to help, reach out to someone that might need some help. And let them, just tell them that you're there for them. Don't pressure them into saying stuff that they don't want to talk about, because it's hard. But let's just do that, guys. And I love you. I'm praying for each and every one of you during this storm. Keep safe, keep warm, and don't be on the roads unless it's truly an emergency. You might have to get us some snow dogs. But I love you. Good night. Bye-bye.